Hey y'all, I'm in Gray Court, South Carolina at the Rusty Bucket, and they're doing Praise and Worship night tonight. I will put a link in the comments section, but I'm also going to do a longer kind of video to show you the stage and stuff. Maybe I'll add it on the end of this one too, but anyway, have a good night.